What's going on, everyone? Hope you've all had a good weekend. So I'm switching this week's video up a little bit different only because I'm running out of space on my laptop and most of my videos are the same every week, so I want to switch it up a little bit. So once again, the moves have been correct, the timing has not been correct, and unfortunately, you know, I took a trade here Tuesday trying to break out of the 800s on the NASDAQ, and right after I get into my trade, you had Trump coming out here talking about putting a lawsuit on Powell. So got stopped out of that one super quick. So I went short on the ES because that was my next level to break. And once we started moving down a little bit, I just brought it to break even and let it play out. I wanted to see it come and test these 6400s at yesterday's close for Monday, but that didn't happen. And where are we? We're here on Thursday. So Thursday's trading was kind of chaotic. We pushed above my 6470s level. We were making a bull flag, so we were holding the pivot point. Once we broke out of the flag, I went long, kept my stop tight, and that got stopped out. Broke below my level of the 70s, went short once, kept a tight stop, stopped out, tried again, same thing, and third time tried it again once we had a flag, obviously a clear bear flag, and we did get a little bit of movement, but I tried to let it play out, brought the trade to break even, and it ended up taking me out at break even again. And Friday's trades, alright. And Friday, I didn't do a whole lot Friday. I was kind of over the week, and especially after this, I tried to be a little bit more patient. I even let it work down here a little bit more. And I'm telling you, me wanting to get short multiple times here. We did have news at 10 o'clock, but me wanting to get short, it was eating me not getting short. So once it was trading below, it wasn't even getting back above the pivot, I felt a little more confident. We did test it after the news came out, but we just immediately came back below that level. I hopped in short and kept a tight stop loss, and I got stopped out. And you can see I was wanting it to come down here to this pivot point at the 60s. It made it down there at 10 o'clock, about noon, so 2 hours, but that's been my problem all week, is I've been able to see the move, I haven't been able to execute it. So currently this week we are at negative just about 300 bucks. I don't have much room. I got $420 left to wiggle room before I blow this account, and that's gonna be it. But so that wraps it up for this week. Hopefully you guys kind of like this video a little better than what I've usually been putting out. So if you did like it, like and subscribe. See y'all next week.